All right, third graders. So find this that was sent home. It's a memory book thing. This is one of the items that you're going to do it, and you'll take pictures of it just like you normally do when you're done and send it to me with your homework. But then I want you to keep this in a special place, because towards the end of the school year, I'm going to say, I need your mom and dad to bring in, this is one of the things that they're going to bring in, okay? So don't throw it away when you're done. Keep it in a special pile, and then when it's time, Mrs. Hagan will say, please have your parents bring in these 4 or 5 items, okay? So do a really nice, this is going in your memory book, guys, so I need it to look really nice. And I started to color mine just so you could get the idea, okay? But I didn't quite finish it. I have a little star there that still has to be colored, right? So color it neatly, and then on the middle section where you have that open space there, okay, that's where you are going to draw a picture of yourself, but I do not want it to be a stick person, okay? So we all look different, but I'm going to start up at the top, and I am going to do it in black. I would recommend you do it in black as well. Mrs. Hagan's struggling here. All right, so wants to be gray, but we're trying to get it to be black. All right. So, all right, black or whatever color you want. All right. So you're going to have a head. You're going to have a neck. You're probably better at this than me. I'm just showing you what a general, don't draw too big or you won't have room for your pants. Maybe you want to put a skirt on. If you're a girl, you could put a skirt on. That'd be fun. Okay, otherwise just pants. Okay, so I'm using the whole space. I'm not drawing a tiny little person. Maybe going to draw some shoes. All right, going to draw some hands. And maybe you have a favorite shirt that you like to wear, and it should look like you as much as possible. So the color of the hair, and maybe you want to have a special shirt on that you like. It might be striped, and you can color it. Maybe you want to do Farmington Tiger colors. It doesn't actually have to be a shirt that you have. And I could draw designs down here if I wanted and color those in, okay? And your face, obviously. And then I will meet you on the second page. All right, so you have more coloring on this page to do too, okay? So just make sure that it gets colored all really nice, you guys, okay? Take your time. You know, if you did a green apple on the other side, maybe do a red apple on this side, okay? Take your time to color it neatly, okay? Not going to take you that long. All right, now on the words, it says, this is how I wrote my name at the beginning of the year, okay? So we were doing more printing at the beginning of the year. So we're going to show that, excuse me, we're going to show that by doing our nicest printing, okay? So we're going to say, hang on here, guys. It's not wanting to. I'm going to write, you're going to put your first and last name in your neatest printing that you've ever done, okay? Then I'm going to take my first and last name. Now it says, this is how I write my name now. This is where you're going to do your best, okay, to do your cursive writing. And I know you guys like this, okay? And you might have to look in your handwriting book if you're stuck on a letter, okay? And you're going to do your best to connect your letters and write your name again in cursive, okay? Now let's look down at the next part. It says, this is how I wrote the letters of the alphabet at the beginning of the school year. Guess what we're going to do there? Printing, right? So all you do is just print the alphabet. A lot of kids that I know last year, they wanted to do the big A and then the little a and then the big B and the little b. You can do it that way, or you can just write A to Z in capital letters. That's fine with me too. Okay. Then down here, you're doing the same thing, but in cursive. So big A, little a, big B, and you might need to look in your handwriting book to help you with this, okay? And remember, if you don't want to do both letters, you could just do A, and then do B, and then do C, Okay, if it's easier for you to fit it on the lines, just doing one of the letters, that's fine. But you're going to go from A to Z on both sections. So this section will be A to Z in printing. This section will be A to Z in cursive. All right, finish that up with the coloring and meet me on the last page. All right, here we are on the last page. So you also have those same coloring things that you need to do on this page. Coloring is not an option, guys, because this is going in our memory book, so everything needs to look really nice. All right, so this page is pretty self-explanatory, but I will just talk a little bit about what it is. My favorite number, my favorite book, my favorite subject in school. When they say subject, that means like math, science, reading, social studies. And then tell me why, because there's a because. The names of some friends that I made this year. That's a good one, right? And they could be friends in your neighborhood. They also could be friends that you've met on Google Meet. So, and I would say 3 friends is a good number. So you're going to put a name and then a comma and then a name and then a comma. So you'll have 3 names there. All right, I've lost this many teeth this year. If you're not exactly sure, just take your best guess on that one, okay? The most important thing I learned this school year is, that should be a good one there that you can think of something fun to put there. Because remember, we were distance learning, so you could maybe write something about that, okay? Then it says, when I grow up, I want to be a blank. You'll write that there. Because, you'll write that there. And then next year, I would like to learn, and you fill that one in, okay? Looks good, guys. I'm excited to see these. So when you send them to me, it's going to be 3 separate pages, okay? And then you're going to save this copy that you're working on. Don't throw it away, okay? Because that's going to be one of the things that Mom's and Dad are going to bring in. All right, good job, guys.